Hi. Though I'm not even seen. I thought I'll be seen. So lights on. It's been a while. By the way, new room setup, guys. I know nobody cares, but new room setup. I can also change colors. When I'm in this party mood, I can turn this on and dance. And it has red color. When I'm very frustrated and when I'm angry, I turn this light on. And it has blue. When I'm romantic. I turn this on, and it has pink. Pink is my favorite color. I'm going to keep this. Anyways, it's been a while ever since I posted something on YouTube, so here it goes. Without further ado, let's get the video started. I know you've already seen the title. It's called Catfishing People on all the dating apps. But watch till the end. You have to listen to the story before even you watch the other part. So listen to my story, please listen. I was talking to one of my friend, and then we were talking about I think all the dating apps and stuff. And then for some reason, I said,
Hey, shut up, yeah. Dating apps for girls is so easy. You just swipe right on boys and you match with everyone. You know how hard it is for guys to match with girls.
guys, I know that's what we all think, but I was wrong. You know what she said?
Oh my god, Sis, are you serious? Are you serious right now? Do you know how traumatizing is it for a girl to be on these apps? Do you know what shit we go through when we are on these apps? You don't even know what it feels like to be a girl on these apps.
So I wanted to know what it feels like to be a girl on these apps. And that's why I created a profile on Tinder and Bumble. To create a profile on Tinder or Bumble or any other dating apps, all you need is 3 things. Name, bio, and a picture. Picture,
Boom, 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 boom. Ding, ding, ding. Boom, 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 boom.
I could have actually taken someone else's picture on the internet and put it on my profile, but I felt weird. No, not weird. I was scared to do that. To do that. Yeah, that's why I didn't do that. But me being a gentleman, I turned my beautiful, sexy face into a girl's face. This is how I took my picture. With this smile, that's it. And this is how I edited the picture. Who wouldn't want to swipe right on me? Guys, come on. If I found this girl, beautiful looking girl, on any dating apps, I would swipe right on her 100 times. 100 times andre ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು swipe right ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. She's so pretty. And the other pose which I gave was this. I don't know why I kept my hand here, but I thought this is what girls do, and did this, and then turn this picture into this. Oh. I'm falling in love with this picture. After I edited the picture, I was pretty confident that boys would actually fall for me. That's not what I wanted, but yeah, still. And I named her as Sanjana. I think this actually looks like Sanjana. Sanjana tara idale. Naming ceremony is done, photo is done, and then we need a good bio. So I just typed the most basic bio, which says a sucker for romantic pickup lines with a monkey face. And then I love to travel and have fun. I purposely put a caps on that end. I don't know, I wanted to be a little jatre. So I used these 2 pictures to catfish people on Tinder and Bumble. And holy you have no clue how cringy few guys were, and the number of banana pictures I got to see. Fuck. One guy says good morning and sends his picture. I don't know if he meant to say good morning. Within 5 minutes, not even kidding, within 2 minutes, I think I got like 50 plus likes on Tinder, and I don't know, I matched with each and every guy whom I swipe right on Bumble. Oh my fucking god. Am I so pretty? Actually, I am. Take a look at this. All these likes, all these matches. Oh my god, to this pretty looking girl. So now let's react to all the chats and all the conversation and all of the pickup lines which guys had to throw at me. Let's begin this video. Hey Sanjana, thanks for swiping right. Namaste. And happy Deepavali with a flower. Happy Deepavali. I like flowers. Flower. Even I do. You know what? Today I went to flower market at Care Market. It was so wonderful. You should come along someday. Hearts on my face.
If you were a vegetable, you'd be a cute cucumber.
If you were a vegetable, I would stop eating them.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi.
Hi Sanjana, how are you doing? Here, working as an assistant manager in a software company and a dancer by passion. Let me know about you. I catfish people. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Guys, please do that. This guy tried sending his resume here, lol. Anyways, hi, happy Deepavali. Sanjana, have a nice one. Sugar daddy, thanks. Hope I meet you soon. Take you for a drive on my bike.
Yeah, boy.
On my new bike, on this new bike. Which bike? Honda CBR 650R. Can I use your bike for a day? Me and my boyfriend are thinking of going on a ride. Ahaha, you're kidding me. Yes, I was joking. By the way, I'll be getting the new bike soon. Yeah, for me and my boyfriend, right?
बुरा लगता है भाई.
I'm joking. I'll be serious now. Good, nice. You made me smile. Aw. So seriously asking, will you give your bike to me so that I can go on a ride with my boyfriend? No ways. Sir, I'm totally joking. I like making jokes. On you. I too love joking. It keeps me happy. The bike is 11 lakhs. 11 lakhs? Guys, 11 lakhs. I'm taking a bank loan. I'm sorry. Have a good day. Love you. Bye. So, this sugar daddy did not freaking stop. No matter how many times I tried joking, no matter how many times I tried stopping the conversation, he kept on continuing and kept on flexing on his new bike, 11 lakhs. But I felt really bad when he said he took a bank loan. That's why I wanted to end the conversation there. Anyways, I'm sorry. Have a good day. Love you. Bye. But trust me, bike is amazing. Sir, I am a boy. Is it okay? Oh, cool, chill. Bye. Thank you. This guy, ಏನ್ ಕೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಮ್ಮ ರೌಡಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐ ಬೈ ಗುಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಂದು ಹಾಯ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9900 ನಿನ್ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು Hey, my name is Microsoft. Can I crash at your place tonight? After my boyfriend leaves. Lol, when is he leaving? After my ex comes in. Nice pun. I should rank before X. I start with R. Ooh, nice. But Randy starts with R too. So bye.
Got it!
Sucker just for pickup lines won't be enough. If you can do more. Oh. Then let me pick you up. Hashtag Netflix and chill. Nice. It's a match. Are you down? Wanna chill? Wanna watch Netflix and wanna chill? I have great idea. We can have great fun. No. Hi. Hey there. What's up? How's 2021 been for you so far? God was after I matched with you. Hello. Well, I know I don't have a chance. But I just want to hear an angel talk. Hey, but I am feeling shy to send voice note. Aw, this shyness. It's fine. Good things take time. But you are the bad thing. Guys, usually I'm not so mean. But since I was Sanjana is mean. I'm not mean. Okay, get that right. You understand, right? I'm not being mean. It's Sanjana being me. Hey, I'm not sure you'll like my pickup line, but I'll try. Are you a bank loan? No. Hey, I have a thing for girls with glasses. Even I have a thing for girls with glasses. I actually do. Hi, hello. You have a very pretty face, not gonna lie. Like, Sanju. What else do you expect from me? I'm feeling shy. Stop, yeah. Arey, I'm serious. You look at your own pic. It's so pretty. No, but my friends tell me that I'm not pretty. Why would they say that? Because I'm not pretty.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है.
Hello. You have a very pretty face, not gonna lie. Must be hard being a face model at such a young age. What does a face model mean? Guys, comment down below. What does a face model mean? I actually don't know. Anyways, how do you handle all the fame? Please enlighten me. I talk to ugly people. Array, why savage so fast? Do thoda sa build up first. Okay. I talk to ugly people. This one's a very interesting conversation, guys. Read everything carefully. Okay. And don't be this guy. Hello baby, send me number. I want always good friend and good relationship with you.
Next time is Bombay Central is oncoming. This Bombay Central.
But I want to just hold your hand. Sure, how you want. I'm there for you. Kindly send your number. No number, only telepathy. Sure, where you stay, baby? Kanyakumari Nagar. Ooh, with family? No, with my ex. Do video call. I see your face. He doesn't even give a fuck. When I said I stay with my ex, do video call. I see your face. I don't want to see your face. Ooh, then what you like? You are a pretty. I like pomegranates. Can I kiss you? Nice. Have you brushed your teeth? When we meet, I'm bicing you pomegranates. Yep, I'm brushed. Can I give you a kiss? No. No, I want dirty mouth only. Bye. And that's all it for today's video. I have one last thing to say. So, not only did strangers fall for Sanjana or the catfish, but also my own friends who've been looking at me for years fell for it. Anyway, so I'm going to give you 2 tips you need to, have to follow so that you don't fall for such catfishes the next time you use a dating app. So I just wanted to end this on a good note. And that is why I'm addressing these 2 tips. Tip number 1, always text girls or boys who are verified. Please don't text anyone whose profile isn't verified. That's like the biggest mistake which one could ever make. But to be honest, there were a few smart guys who asked me to verify my profile, and then I didn't have any other choice but to unmatch them. So be smart. All these dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, Hinge or any other dating app has a very good verification process which can't be scammed very easily. So make sure you ask the other person to verify their account if it is not. Tip number 2, please don't share your personal things even before you get close to a person. Please! These are like only 10% of the chats which I've shared. So there are like 90% more disgusting things which I had to go through which I haven't uploaded here for obvious reasons. So don't get too personal even without knowing someone. Maybe ask for their Instagram ID or something so that you know it's a genuine profile, and that's it. Be safe, date more, score more. I can't believe that I'm giving dating tips. I hope this helps, but yeah, be careful. Get them chicks, guys. More power to you and girls. Yeah, bye. Not bye. Please also, if you like this video, please subscribe, buddy. Just click on that button, subscribe, hit subscribe so that the next time I upload another video, you can watch it for free. Even the subscribing thing is for free. So please like, share, comment, whatever.